Join me on a thrilling journey through the vast expanse of the internet as I unveil the absolute best gadgets and devices that'll redefine your tech game.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge devices with the DomiFan. This sleek and innovative product is redefining the way we experience content on the go. Feast your eyes on this gorgeous 12.3-inch FHD touchscreen, delivering a high-definition viewing experience like never before. With crystal-clear visuals and vibrant colors, every image and video pops with lifelike clarity. But it doesn't stop there. Thanks to its touchscreen functionality, navigating through your favorite apps and content is as easy as a swipe and a tap. Say goodbye to clunky controls and hello to an intuitive user experience. And here's where the magic happens. Endless display capability. Need more screen space for work or entertainment? No problem. The DomiFan lets you seamlessly extend your screen to suit your needs, whether you're multitasking at work or binge-watching your favorite shows. Whether you're a busy professional juggling multiple tasks or a multimedia enthusiast craving immersive entertainment, the DomiFan has you covered. Introducing Ringo, the innovative water bottle that features a magnetic holder for your phone, making it convenient to stay hydrated while keeping your device within reach. Ringo is not just your ordinary water bottle. It is a revolutionary product that combines functionality and convenience in one sleek design. With its innovative magnetic holder, Ringo allows you to keep your phone securely attached to your water bottle, ensuring that you never have to worry about misplacing or dropping your device again. Whether you are at the gym, on a hike, or simply going about your daily routine, Ringo ensures that you can stay hydrated while keeping your phone within arm's reach. No more fumbling around in your bag or pocket to find your phone. With Ringo. The magnetic holder is not only incredibly strong, but also adjustable, allowing you to position your phone at the perfect angle for easy viewing. It is also a high-quality water bottle that is designed to keep your drinks cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours. Made from durable stainless steel, introducing the Roidmai Shining, the ultimate automatic bath brush designed to provide a deep and thorough clean. The Roidmai Shining features advanced technology that ensures a gentle yet effective cleaning process. Its rotating brush head effortlessly removes dirt, dead skin cells, and impurities, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. With its ergonomic design and easy-to-use controls, the Roidmai Shining offers a comfortable grip and customizable settings to suit your preferences. The brush also comes with interchangeable brush heads, allowing you to tailor your cleaning routine to different areas of your body. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the Roidmai Shining offers long-lasting performance and can be conveniently charged using the included USB cable. Its compact size makes it travel-friendly, ensuring you can enjoy a deep clean wherever you go. Introducing Hooky, the world's first smart portable gym designed to revolutionize your workout routine. This innovative device combines cutting-edge technology with convenience, allowing you to bring the gym with you wherever you go. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, Hooky provides a full-body workout experience that is customizable to your fitness level and goals. Say goodbye to bulky equipment and hello to a sleek, compact solution that will help you stay active and healthy on the go. With Hooky, you can say goodbye to expensive gym memberships and crowded fitness centers. This portable gym is equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and artificial intelligence technology that tracks your progress, provides real-time feedback, and adjusts your workout routine accordingly. Whether you're a beginner looking to get in shape or a seasoned athlete wanting to take your training to the next level, Hooky has something for everyone. Its sleek design and easy-to-use interface make it the perfect companion for anyone looking to stay active and healthy no matter where life takes them. Introducing Wookle, the revolutionary finger-sized AI voice translator that supports a staggering 127 languages. Perfect for travelers, students, and professionals, Wookle is designed to break down language barriers with ease and efficiency. With its compact and portable design, Wookle can be easily carried in your pocket or bag, making it the ideal companion for international adventures or business meetings. Backed by Kickstarter, Wookle promises high-quality translation accuracy and real-time communication, ensuring seamless interactions in any language. Say goodbye to language barriers and hello to a world of endless possibilities with Wookle. The user-friendly interface of Wookly allows for easy navigation and customization, making it simple for anyone to use, regardless of their technological proficiency. Simply speak into the device and let Wookle do the rest, translating your words into the desired language with precision and clarity. Introducing Zeus, the world's first and smallest 270W GAN USB-C charger. This innovative charger is designed to provide fast and efficient charging for all your devices in a compact and portable size. With GAN technology, Zeus is able to deliver high-power output while maintaining a small form factor, making it perfect for travel or everyday use. Say goodbye to bulky chargers and hello to Zeus, the ultimate solution for all your charging needs. Don't miss out on this groundbreaking product. Zeus is equipped with multiple ports, including USB-C and USB-A, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. The advanced GAN technology used in Zeus ensures faster charging speeds and greater efficiency, saving you time and energy. Zeus is not only powerful but also safe to use, with built-in overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection. Welcome, everyone! Today we're about to unveil something truly extraordinary. VelaFlame, the revolutionary smart candle light bulb that's changing the way we enjoy candlelight. Picture this: the warm ambiance of a traditional candle, combined with the safety and convenience of modern technology. That's what VelaFlame brings to the table. VelaFlame fits seamlessly into any standard light socket, instantly transforming any space into a cozy haven. And here's the kicker: its LED flame effect mimics the gentle flicker of a real flame, minus the hazards of open flames or messy wax strips. But wait, there's more. With the VelaFlame app, you have complete control over your ambiance. Adjust the brightness, intensity, and even set timers for your candlelight experience. Crafted with premium materials, VelaFlame is built to last. Say goodbye to constantly replacing candles. This beauty provides a long lifespan, making it not only elegant but also cost-effective. Whether you're aiming for a romantic evening, unwinding after a long day, or simply adding a touch of elegance to your home, VelaFlame is your go-to solution.